Fire! 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 Run! Come on, girls! Hey, Haley. Why would I get the fuck out of here when you're ready to go? Let's go. Get your shit ready. Haley, come on. You have an eye appointment in like 6 minutes. So get dressed. Hurry up. Linda, are you going with us? Come on, girls. Hurry up. Get up. I'm going to give you one more chance before this alarm starts firing. Hey, you should have thought about that an hour ago when I was trying to sleep. And you were telling me about the boogeyman. Haley, come on. You got an eye appointment. This is it. It's going to get louder. Haley, come on, sweetheart. You better get your daughter up so we can go. Linda, are you going with her? Or she's staying here with Inez? Well, you better pick your choice. Marie, Haley, do you see what time it is? Oh, but I was really tired about an hour ago. And you were driving me insane.
What do you mean?
Remember the boogeyman? This bedroom's haunted. Come on, Haley, you do gotta get up though. Here, let's get out of here so she can get up.